Jim Laird joining you live from Diariamo, Nicaragua. You know, it's only fitting that the fact that it's like snowed in Florida. Like I saw pictures of snow on the beach in Destin, which is wild. It's only fitting that it's snowing in Destin, or it snowed in Destin, and it's raining here. Like the temperature here last night was like in the 70s. Which for this time, this is summertime here. So the 70-degree temperature is like cold to these people, like really cold. And it rained, which it never rains here at this time of year. So things are weird. But that's okay. Having a good day today. Had a couple good coaching calls today. Launched my Vitality Sisterhood group. If you're interested in joining that, and if you're a lady, of course. Could be the polar shift, Dan. That's true. Could be. Very true. And if that's the case, then it's going to get wild. So, ladies community, just type in, if you're a lady, obviously, type in sisterhood in the comments. You'll get a link to sign up for the, sisterhood. Correct. Vitality Sisterhood. Basically, we're focusing on most of the women I deal with. Just don't know where to start. Like they know they need to strength train, but they just don't know where to start. So we're helping them with that and whatever else they need help with. It's a beautiful day here. It's Christmas here. Actually, as you can see, this is almost like the man cave because I've got my motorcycle and then I've got a heavy bag over there. And I just got, I had to order. So I ordered some stuff from Amazon. I ordered my rebounder because I like skipping rope, but I never thought I'd order a rebounder, but I did because I like doing skips on it. Obviously, in the directions, it said do not do backflips on it, which, you know, obviously for legal reasons. So I got my heavy bag, which I bought in Managua, the China store, and I had to get some new gloves, some MMA gloves, because my new puppy destroyed my old pair. So I got some new gloves, got a rebounder, got my rope. So my little home gym here is looking good, and we got motorcycle. So it's all good, like rebounder, heavy bag, man cave. It's good stuff. So it's good. It's winding down here. The sun's setting. And so that was my Christmas present to myself, which is almost my birthday present. My birthday's in April. So, yeah, beautiful day today. Had a couple great calls today. So, we got about 100, just under 100 people in the Vitality Sisterhood. And so that's a lot of fun making content for that. It's totally free, by the way. Same with Vitality Brotherhood. They're both free groups. And then, of course, I have coaching that I do as well. And you can check that out by joining either group. You can get more information on that. So I hope you have yourself a great day. Make sure you get outside today, regardless of how cold it is where you are. Getting outside, regardless of temperature, is good for you. Of course, unless you're like on Mercury or Pluto or something along those lines, then it's a problem. So have yourself a great day. We'll see you again soon. Take care.